opened the door to China, where the church already had 3 missionaries in the field. These missionaries were all single women who needed an ordained man and his wife to work with them in a unique riverboat ministry to the Sampan people at Sam Shui, or Three Rivers.
At the tone, 6 hours, 39 minutes, Coordinated Universal Time.
Style. It's sort of like when the gay marriage thing. It doesn't matter whether you or I think about gay marriage. It's what the Constitution is about. Same thing with free speech. Because I saw Bill O'Reilly continually last night with Megyn Kelly. Well, I wouldn't do this. Well, this would be. Doesn't matter what your way is.
Right.
Your way doesn't matter. We all have different ways. What do I approve of? I approve of the way that I and you, since I have to take responsibility for you because I work with you, and you have to take responsibility for me.
I do.